So if you've got pectus and you want to start working out to make it look better, and perhaps you want to work out at home without a gym, then I would recommend getting dumbbells. They're the best piece of equipment you can buy for pectus. Exercises that utilize dumbbells are some of my favorite go-tos for improving the pectus and targeting key muscles that will help make your pectus less noticeable. I actually work out from home a lot and utilize dumbbells. I program it for a lot of my clients that work out from home, and I think they're a great piece of equipment. And so in today's video, I want to share with you 5 must-do exercises that are dumbbell only if you've got Pectus Excavatum. So the first exercise is a dumbbell pullover. Now, the dumbbell pullover is very important when you're doing this, that you do it properly with the right form. It's not really an exercise where we're really pushing weight or progressive overload. It's more about the stretch and the postural benefits that this exercise can have for you. And improving posture is an important part of making pectus less noticeable through weight training, because if we can help make a straighter posture more of a default position by improving your thoracic mobility, by strengthening the back, by stretching the chest, then that's going to help you make your pectus less noticeable, because when your posture is all rolled forward and you've got that like kyphotic, that rolled forward shoulders, that makes the condition look a bit deeper. And so it's something that is very important that I do with my training for a lot of my clients. And the dumbbell pullover is a great exercise for that. On top of that, it also does work and build your chest. Specifically, you'll feel it the most in your inner and upper chest, which I think is a really key part to develop for pectus. When you're doing it, it is important you're doing it properly. You're trying to hold your elbows tight and like actively have a mind muscle connection with your chest as you pull the dumbbells back overhead to get that chest engagement. So the pullover is a great exercise for all of those reasons, and something that I definitely recommend you do. The next exercise is a dumbbell press, okay, a flat dumbbell press. Now, the reason I like this exercise is because progressive overload on exercises is a key muscle building principle, and the dumbbell flat bench press is the one you can get the most load on to get progression on your chest. It's a great chest builder, and it's important you're having a big compound movement in your program, okay, and focusing on that progressive overload. So this is a must do. When I'm doing this, so with the dumbbell pullover, when I'm doing that, it's like 3 sets of 8 to 15 reps. I'm focusing more on the stretch and on form and on the range of motion. With the dumbbell press, I'm focusing more so on the lower end of the rep range, more like 6 to 12, and we're focusing more so on progressive overload and strength. The next exercise that I would recommend is an incline CrossGrip dumbbell press. Now, you guys probably know I love exercises that put tension on the chest through adduction, and by having this cross grip position, you're going to be able to maintain more adduction on the chest, and therefore those non-spanning chest fibers are going to be recruited more throughout the movement. Now, it does also recruit your triceps more than a typical dumbbell chest press. So for me, I'm always pairing this with like a dumbbell press, okay? And again, this is an exercise that you need to execute properly with the right form to actually get the engagement that we're looking for. But when you do it right and you feel this exercise, you will feel that crazy contraction, and you will feel those non-spanning chest fibers on the middle of your chest getting engaged more with an incline cross grip press. And obviously with pectus, this is an area that's very important that we develop. So that is one of my go-to exercises. The next exercise would be an incline prone dumbbell row. Okay, now the reason I like this exercise for pectus is it's important we're balancing pushing with pulling. And so if, say for example, this could be a great superset that you do with the CrossGrip dumbbell press is the prone row. So it's on the incline and you're going to be leaning on it and you're doing a back row. Okay, and so we're getting that pulling, we're working the upper back muscles that will help, when strengthened, help make your default posture more upright, okay? So this is an important exercise to be implementing. It's one of my favorite back builders, probably my favorite back builder when it comes to dumbbells. And definitely one that you should be implementing in your program. And then the last exercise that I would recommend for pectus is a dumbbell floor fly. Now, the reason it's a floor fly is one, for safety. I think a dumbbell fly, especially if you're going like close to failure, can really put you at risk of hurting your shoulder, like if you're doing a dumbbell fly on the bench. So the floor fly will help keep that end range of motion safer. And because of that, then you can push the intensity and push a maximum weight. I've actually got a video on this on my YouTube that you can check out. But I think a dumbbell floor fly is one of the best dumbbell exercises when it comes to trying to actively isolate and engage the chest. And I think it is important when it comes to pectus that we're doing a lot of isolation exercises. When we're training with dumbbells, we are to some degree limited in terms of the best isolation exercises that we can incorporate for pectus. So for that reason, I do like cables, and cables are very beneficial. Bands are your next best at-home substitute for cables, but Dumbbells, you can still do a dumbbell floor fly. You can do a standing one arm low dumbbell fly, which I personally like, but I think it's very important you have established a good mind muscle connection and ability to contract your chest. But anyway, the dumbbell floor fly is my 5th and final exercise for the 5 must-do dumbbell exercises if you've got Pectus Excavatum. So I hope this was helpful, guys. If you are working out from home, I do have at-home programs that I do for my clients. Set list of equipment that I need them to get is dumbbells, bands, a bench. So you can get started working with that. If you are interested, go to my website, fixpectus.com, and apply. And thanks so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for future ones. Make sure you subscribe.